Hi there, it's Robert Black here, and I'd like to welcome you to the Google AffiliateX software members area. Now this is just a quick video we've put together. It's just a very quick introductory and orientation video to show you around the site. But first of all, I'd like to thank you for actually investing in this product, and it is an investment and it's going to pay you back several times over, as you'll see once you get stuck in. Now, we've put a lot of time and money into putting this product together, and it's grown way beyond what we'd ever imagined it would. Initially, this was just a program incorporating a formula that we used for ourselves, and it wasn't very user-friendly because there was only 2 of us actually using it. And it's expanded into something way beyond what I ever expected it would. So we've put together a series of 10 videos explaining the whole process. Now, before I just get into what the different pages do, I mean, it's all fairly straightforward, but I just want to mention that I want you to be absolutely clear that this is not one of those usual internet marketing products where, a group of marketers put together some kind of course, and so you go to the download page, you download that, and that's it, and they've already moved on to the next one. I mean, Ray and I were doing this every day. This is what we do. This is how we make our money online, through this particular method. We don't really make the money through product launches. It's a bit of icing on the cake. And so what we really want from you is, we'd like to get you feedback on this. What are you happy with? What are you unhappy with? Is there any other features that you would like to see? If there are, then let us know. We're not programmers, but we employ programming people. If it's technically possible, then we'll do it. If it isn't technically possible, then we won't do it. But we do want your feedback. We really want this software to develop over time, and if we can add features to that to the benefit of everybody, then that's great. There's a whole series of videos, as I mentioned. There's 10 different videos here. Obviously, you know that. You've clicked on part 1 to access this particular video. But if you find that there's something that we've missed out, I mean, we think it's pretty comprehensive, but if there's something that you just don't quite understand, some part of the process, or some other thing that you just don't understand, and if you'd like us to record a video about that, just let us know, and I'll show you how to do that right now. We have a help desk feature. If you go to frequently asked questions, and this should answer actually most of the kind of questions which you may have. If it doesn't, if there's something that's not covered in the FAQ page, just click down here. Click here to visit the help desk, and that will put you in touch with our support team. But also use that for sort of feedback of features that you think are missing. Any videos that you think, well, you should have recorded this, or I don't really understand this, that's fine. We're more than happy to do that. We see this as an ongoing product. This is going to develop over time, and we'll be adding new features to it, but that's going to be as a result of your feedback. So don't worry that we're not going to support this, that this product's going to be here for a long time. Okay, well, you're watching this first video, obviously. What I would suggest is, download the core manual first. So click here to download that, and that's an ebook. It's about 30 odd pages. What that does is, it's not a repetition of what's in the software training videos here. That explains the general principle of what we're doing with these sites, of how all this works. So there's a certain process that's involved with creating these sites and the product selection. That outlines the general principles. What the software does, and the videos that go with it, is they will show you exactly what to do step by step, how to use the software, and then there's some bits which go beyond that. Again, that's all step by step. It's a video such as this. It says click here to do this, type this into here, go to this site, etc., etc. So if you think of the ebook as kind of explaining the theory of it, and the videos as being the actual practice, then you won't go far wrong. So I'm just saying that for people who are completely new to this kind of thing. You know, you might read the ebook and you think, well, okay, he hasn't explained this, or I don't understand this term. If there's anything like that, don't worry about it. Everything is going to be explained in the videos, but it's just a good idea to understand the general principles beforehand. Now, I'll just take you through the different pages on here now. The software, it's a three-step process. We find the product, then we sort out the keywords, and then we create the site. So, I'll show you here, find products. And that's where we start off with. And then we do an analysis of the products on the My Products page. And once we've done that, this page here creates the site. And there'll be a video on each one. And we have that's the one there, yeah. And I'll take you inside all of those. As I say, this is just a quick orientation video. The frequently asked questions page you've seen. Then we have a page for affiliates. Now, this has sold extremely well, and this is a good opportunity for you to actually to make back your entire investment and promote this as an affiliate. I mean, we've had a lot of affiliates come on board with this. The beauty of this product is it's not one of these fly-by-night things. I mean, we've all seen them. Somebody's come up with some loophole in the search engines or some latest Web 2.0 fad that will work for a few months. And then, you know, that product disappears. It no longer works. I mean, you'll remember a few years ago there was all sorts of AdSense products. Well, AdSense today works totally different to what it did back in 2006. It's completely different. eBay's the same. There's been very big changes. But the way this works is this is going to be an ongoing thing. I mean, yes, we'll add to it, and I mean the engine, the heart of this product is the formula that calculates whether or not you've got a good chance of getting to the first page of Google. Now, the parameters of that may change. We're keeping a careful eye on that, but we will automatically then change the software to do that. But really, once you've read through the ebook, you'll understand that this process, as long as the internet's still there in 5 years' time, this is still going to work 5 years from now. So the point is, this will be an ongoing product, and we'll be giving it ongoing support. And one final thing I just wanted to mention to you, what you'll see here on this first page. So yeah, that's download the manual, then you've got the training videos. Now, if you've upgraded to the Traffic Siphon series, then you'll see that on here. So click here to access that. And that's the 51 video series that we've put together on this. It's truly a comprehensive thing. This is all from personal experience. We've tried out all these different methods, and it's really made a huge difference to the way we do our marketing. Now, some of it is quite a bit more advanced, and some of you will have sites that are not just covering one particular product, as the Google Affiliate X system works, but you'll have other sites as well, where you're covering a broader range of topics on the sites. Some of you will have blogs. I mean, I have a blog as well, and I'd love to get more traffic to it. And this is the system that we use. So I would strongly recommend that if you haven't upgraded to this, that you go and take a close look at that. And you know, really give it some consideration. Because if you're serious about making money online, well, traffic is the key to it. And you can find, we've left little banners at the bottom of every page, so you get a second chance. And if you just click on those banners here, that will take you back to the page and it will tell you all about that. Okay, back to the welcome page. What we've also done is we've thrown in a few unannounced bonuses as a thank you for ordering, and you'll be able to click here and get access there. So I think that just about covers everything. Final thing is, yeah, log out. Well, that's pretty obvious. Once you're done for the day, click on here to log out. So that's the orientation and introduction video out of the way with. And I suggest what you do now is, if you haven't read this ebook, read that first, and then we'll get stuck in video 2. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.